Welcome to another episode of the Wild Scandinavian Cooking. We are back in Denmark, actually down south. We are in the region from Rømø. It's a nice island where you can drive on. And I decided to pick up some friends in Hamburg and drive all the way up here in my brand new RX 500h from Lexus. Amazing car, and it was such an amazing trip. I took the guys to Mask Camp. It's on the mainland where we got some amazing smørbrød. I just wanted them to show some of the typical Scandinavian foods, so give them that experience. This is really one of the best places in Denmark where you can have smørbrød, amazing. And then there's this huge tower outside, which got really designed. It looks like you can only walk up all the time, but you can actually walk up and down. So from the tower, you can actually see the island. And if the weather is really good, you can also see the island of Sylt. Yeah, the German island, the next to Rømø. From there we went over to Rømø. We met with Jesper. Jesper is the Oysterking of Denmark. And he lives in this area and he's taking us out in the Vat ocean with the tide grows and where the wild oysters are. We're gonna collect them and then we're gonna use it for the cooking later. Then we took the cars down to the beach, and this is what's really amazing about this place. It is so huge and you are allowed to drive there on the beach. It was pretty wet, but that was actually the fun part of it. My team, we put up a tent and we cooked amazing stuff on the beach for everybody. Jesper made oysters, and that's what's about, you know, getting together with friends, being out in the nature. The idea of it is cooking in the most unbelievable and unique places all over the world, and this is definitely one of it. So Rømø, I really want to say thank you for having us, giving us this opportunity to cook on the beach for the whole day and having this much fun over here. It's an amazing place and I will be back.